Here's from Twitter. Any progress on restarting the U.S. security assistance? Some of these we can make rather short.
No, I never asked for any assistance.
Okay. Also
asked for understanding, not assistance.
Also from Twitter, what's an ideal Kashmiri solution from the Pakistan perspective, and one that you believe the Pakistan people will accept?
I think it should not be the Pakistani people anymore. It should be what the people of Kashmir want. And that really is the only solution. What do the people of Kashmir want?
And
I would like to have a relationship as equals, of friendship, not as it has been before, where Pakistan has sort of been, you know, it's like Pakistan wanting aid from the US, and then as for aid, Pakistan is expected to do certain things. And, you know, if someone asked that, will you get this funds? I hate the idea that we would be asking for funds, not US, from anyone. Because aid has been one of the biggest curses for my country. What it has done is, it has created the dependency syndrome. We have become, you know, when I went on my first trip to Saudi Arabia, I came back, what have you got from there? As if I'd gone there to beg for money. And I think it's humiliating for a country. Countries rise because of self-respect and self-esteem. No countries rise by begging and borrowing for money. So my relationship with the US would be, I would like a relationship with, a dignified relationship with the US, where never again should we ever have that humiliating phase. I can tell you as a Pakistani, never did I feel more humiliated when Osama bin Laden was taken out in Pakistan by the US troops. Never did I feel more humiliated, because here was a country which was supposed to be an ally, and our ally did not trust us. So as a Pakistani, for every Pakistani it was humiliating. We never want to be in that same position again. We want to have a relationship of friendship. And it doesn't matter, you know, friend can be rich and the other can not be so rich, but so what? You know, it's about a dignified relationship, and that's what I hope to have with the US.
I'd like to present you with a small token of our appreciation for your visit here. Invite you to come back and wish you all the best. Please join me in thanking the Prime Minister.
Thank you.